Hey everyone, it's Sean from Engines and Elbow Grease. I've got another Prius video for you today, and I'm going to be showing you with less than $40 how you can disable some of the most annoying things about these third gen Priuses. And this works on other ones as well. We're going to be using an OBD2 adapter, specifically an ELM 327 interface. If you don't know what those are, there's 1,000 articles on them online, and which ones are the best and which ones don't work and things like that. So what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you the OBD2 adapter that works really well with these. It's a highly recommended one. It's not super expensive. You can get them right on Amazon. I'm going to link them in the description down below. And then you too will be able to do this with the help of an app on your smartphone and this ELM 327 Bluetooth adapter. So let's jump into it, and I will show you how we're going to be disabling the backup reverse constant beeping that is one of the most annoying things in the world, and also the seatbelt chime. That is a feature that some of you may like, some of you may not. I hate it because I move my car around often in a parking lot, just here and there, and don't bother throwing my seatbelt on. It's a pain in the butt to just listen to the thing beep because it beeps for like a minute. And I'm also going to show you a couple other things that you can do with this app. So let's get into it, and I will do a screen grab of what the app looks like running on my phone. Alright, so this is the OBD2 adapter ELM 327 interface that you're going to want to get. These are about $30, $31, $32 on Amazon. They are readily available. I got mine in less than a day. This is a VEEPEAK Bluetooth 4.0 ELM 327 OBD2 interface adapter. It comes in this little box. I have mine plugged in right here, as you can see. The VEEPEAK Bluetooth 4.0 adapter is one of the highest rated and one of the most affordable. It actually happens to be on the recommended list from the drprius.com website, under the section of which Bluetooth adapters work best with this app. And this will also work with other various OBD2 scanning apps that you can get on your App Store or the Play Store. And all it really needs is a solid ELM 327 interface. You want to get a Bluetooth one, specifically a low energy consumption Bluetooth 4.0, just for the speed. So now I'm going to show you the screen grab of the Dr Prius app. It's available for both iPhone and Android, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do today in changing the features of the car, and then also show you a couple of other things that you can do with this app if you choose to do it that way. Alright, so this is the Dr Prius app. All you're going to do is open it up, select VEEPEAK, and then hit Connect OBD. This is going to take a minute to connect. Here you are going to be able to see your battery voltage temps, your high battery voltage temps, internal resistances. If you buy the full version, you can get a full battery test and a life expectancy test. And then we're going to go into special features, and you see those first two right there, disable reverse beep and disable seatbelt beep. Those are the two you're going to select on. You can also disable the traction control. Great for winter driving. And then you can also override the hybrid battery fan and have it run up to a set temperature. But we're just going to leave the disable reverse and seatbelt beeps enabled. And you can also read battery errors, engine errors, and then clear battery and engine codes, which can be really helpful if you just want to do a test and override. And that's pretty much the overview. Definitely a great app to consider if you have a Prius. So that's really it, guys. Super short and simple video. This is just one of those apps I happen to find through the forums and online. It's free if you just want to use it to disable these features that I find annoying, and that I'm sure you probably do as well. It is totally free, apart from the VEEPEAK OBD2 adapter that you need to buy. But in my opinion, it's $30 well spent. You'll have it for the rest of your life, most likely, if it doesn't break. Which it shouldn't, but it's also just really good. You can monitor Like I said, your battery temperatures and voltages and internal resistances. And if you buy the full version, you can do life expectancy tests and full battery and hybrid system charging tests, which can be really helpful for some of us who are do-it-yourself mechanics, I guess. So yeah, very good app. A great OBD setup, and that, like I said, you can also use it with other OBD monitoring, scanning, live data tools, and apps that you can find in the App Store and the Play Store. So it's definitely, I mean, you're in it for $30 and you have a way to monitor exactly what your car is doing and turn off some annoying features while you're at it. So definitely check it out if you own a 3rd gen Prius, and you want to disable those annoying features. It's a really good way to go instead of going to the dealer. The dealer can do it for you too, but you know they're going to charge you. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this informative and helpful. Let me know in the comments if you did this to your car and how you like the app. Thanks. We'll see you in the next video.